So there, let's go for another. Today, this is a game from the past, from June 9. But today, the day of recording, is International Chess Day, so let's start with chess. Quite interesting. These can be both true, but we have nothing else. This be something like this. Press, for instance. Let's try that. So this can be both true and this can be both true. Could they be both false? I'm not so sure. Most likely this is false and this is false. Let's try prime and see what we get from that. Ooh. So these can't be both true. So we know for sure this is true. Could they be both falses? They could, probably. So there would be no R. What could that mean for us? Let's do something else. Suppose this is true. Or rather, suppose this is true. This R is true, then this would be false, and these two would be true, and also this one would be true. That would mean we should have the M could not go on the first position, so it should go on the third position. So I should have something V. Army. No, army is with an Y. Yeah. Doesn't seem likely. Anyway, I will do crime. And let's... Nice one. So, these can be both true. I have all the possible results here. This can be both true. And this can be both true. So this is true. This is true. This is true. This is true. They can't be both falses because then this would be both true. And these can't be both falses because these would be both true. Therefore, one of these two is true. So this is a lie. And this is true. This is true. This is true. This is a lie. This is true. 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 This is a lie. This is true. this is true, this is true, this is true. So either we have an R somewhere else and E is a lie and goes somewhere else, or we have no R and this is a lie and the E go here. Would there be a word like this? With no L, minch. Is that a word? It is. So this is a lie, because this is true. So this is true, this is true, this is true, and this is true. So this is a lie. So this is true. So this is a lie. And this is true. So we have our lies. So there is an M somewhere, there is an I somewhere, and there is an E here. Not a word. But maybe like movie. Yeah, that could work. Yes. Bye for now.